Hey guys, it's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another avelicious, so delicious vlog. I have a special guest here. You wanna join? You wanna join?
Yeah.
Earlier this afternoon, I made a cooking vlog, my first cooking vlog. If you guys haven't seen that, I'm gonna put the link below. I cooked chicken adobo for myself, and I have a special guest here.
What's up, you guys? It's your chef. So huggy.
You're so white.
I am white. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're enjoying the cooking channel.
Yeah.
So I'm a lucky guy who gets to eat all this.
Yeah. Really lucky.
Lucky. Wife material. What? What do you say? Oh, what did you say? A chicken, a beef, stew, soup. Let's go.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
So for today, we are going to cook. What am I gonna cook? I forgot. Sinigang na salmon. Salmon. A lot of you guys have been telling me that I pronounce salmon in such a Filipino way, like salmon. I don't know how do you properly pronounce salmon?
Salmon.
Salmon. Sinigang na salmon, but you know, I'm gonna do a little bit of cheat. We don't have any tamarind here in Norway, no gabi, no anything to make it sour. Sinigang is one of my favorite Filipino dishes, and I'm gonna let Martin try it for the first time. These are the ingredients. First, water. Put it in a pot, let it boil, and right now it's boiling. Yeah. Since they don't have that much of the vegetables that can be found in the Philippines, I'm gonna use as bell pepper as an alternative. Yellow and green bell peppers, red onions, leeks, tomatoes, aubergines or eggplants. Of course, the salmon, it's already salty when you cook it. So never ever season salmon with salt because it can get really salty as your eggs. So first off, of course, boil the water and then put the... Once the water is boiling, sizzling like Itcha girl, put the red onions and then the tomatoes. It'll make it sour. Let it boil for about 10 minutes until the tomato is already translucent, kind of translucent. So yeah, catch you guys later. Martin's gonna try sinigang for the first time. Wait.
I
Still not done.
wanna do a story on this.
1, 2, 3.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. Ooh.
How lucky am I? And what is this?
Sinigang.
Sinigang.
Okay, Martin. Time to eat the salmon.
What can I expect?
The sinigang, the salmon.
Yeah.
It's sour.
Oh.
Yeah.
You guys ready for this?
I haven't tasted it, so I don't know.
Mm.
Are you really?
Mm.
So usually we eat it with rice. There's more soup if you want. You like it, really?
You are talented.
Yay!
Team Marva, guys.
Yes.
I am lucky.
Alright. This ends my cooking vlog. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to Avelovinit, make sure to press that subscribe button below and let me know what kind of dish you want me to cook next. And I'll see you guys on the next Avelicious vlog, travel vlog, Marva vlog.
Yeah.
Who knows? Bye.
Bye.